Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Aaron Kumalo. Thank you again for watching this video. Let me assure you that you are not wasting your time by watching this video. Okay, what is this video about? Kule video lena ngizobonisa ukuthi how to install Word noma let me say Office 2016 noma Word 2016. Maybe you don't have Word on your system noma on your device, then today uzosizakala kakhulu. Okay, so iwuphike lo Word engikhuluma ngawo now because we have got the Word 365 and this is the one I am using. So ngizobonisa ukuthi how to install Word 2016, but again the main app esizoyi-installer is Office 2016. Then Office 2016 contains a lot of apps inside. The first one kuzoba Word 2016, Excel 2016, the Publisher 2016, the PowerPoint 2016. There's a lot of apps or whatever when you are installing Office 2016. Okay, here is Excel 2016. Office 2016 ngithanda ngoba you will have the option to install Visio. Yeah, so let me not explain what is Visio, but Visio is good for those who are designing the screen of their website that they are designing. So okay, so lapha today ngizobonisa ukuthi how to install. Okay, bese ngi-uploadile ku-internet i-link yokudownload u-Office 2016. Okay, let me go to my browser. Okay, ngizofaka i-link ke lapha then bese ngiyabonisa ukuthi how to download Office 2016 and then sesifike nalapho ukuthi how to install it. Okay, ngizofaka i-link. Okay, le app lena ngi-uploade ku-Mega Cloud Drive, but ke in a limited access time because ngisasebenzisa i-trial version. It has got limited storage and limited time. So okwamanje I'm not promising ukuthi izosebenza for how long, but maybe from this month of November, maybe till December next month 2020. Thereafter maybe izobe ingasasebenzi because this is a trial version. I'm just doing this video to assist those who have got a problem ka-Word, those who don't have Word on their devices. They can't type on their devices. They keep on borrowing ama laptops abantu. So today, okay, nansi ke le app engi-uploadile ku-Mega Drive, Cloud Drive. This is Mega. Okay, ngi-uploadile ke uzoyithola ku-Office folder. Then inside Office folder you'll find this app. Okay, ibhaleke ngale ndlela ke. Okay, masufike lapha ke uzobe usoya, you'll come here and then click here. Once you see these three dots, just click them. Once you click them, it will show these options. Then go to download, then choose standard. Why you choose standard? It's because le setup lena executable. Okay, executable. Okay, yes, executable. So if you can download even a zip file, but it is a zip and then for the folder a zip. And then before you install this app, you'll have to unzip the folder. But if you download the standard it will be easy for you to execute. Why? Because it vele exit. But if you download it as a zip, then you zip file number folder. Okay, so now once you click download, then select standard download. Then it will be easier download again. But for me, I need download because I already have this, so I will cancel this. Okay, so now once you download it, just go to the downloads, go to your files and access your downloads, and then here lapho izobe download angena khona. Once I download izobe sizongena kuma downloads, and then just double click on this app. So this is visual some of options. Okay, once you double click again, you see if this doesn't you can't read this. It's written in another language. So for now, just click OK. load, and then we'll wait for it until it's completed. Uma uyi-download-a ke ithatha isikhathi eside because it's too big. It is 2.8 gigabytes. So for me now, since I do have this app, so I'm not going to download. I was just showing you guys how to download it. So for me, I'm going to cancel it. Okay, so it's still loading here. Let us wait for it. Okay guys, and another thing, don't worry about the link. I will share the link on YouTube with how to link yale app with how to access my Mega Cloud Drive. I will share the link on the description. You mustn't upload this link, so don't worry about the link. I will share it. Okay, isiqedile unpack ake silinde. Okay, now it's showing me a pop-up. Do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? And click yes. Unfortunately, this screen does not appear, will not appear on. Okay, now this is the next screen, esivelayo. So let's sometimes it says vele, sometimes will appear like this. So please just click it here, then place your mouse anywhere here, and then click, and then once you drag, yes, you just drag and drop it anywhere. We shift it just to make it phezulu, and then come. Okay, since here the language ayifundeki, you can't read anything here ngaphandle kwalo office and stuff. Okay, so now what do? You need to come down here and then select this button ENG, click on it, and then now it has changed the language. We can read now. It says start installation. So here you choose what you are installing, Office or Visio. Njengoba ngingachaza ngo-Office and Visio. Visio, okay, but for now we are not concentrating on Visio, but we are concentrating on Office. Yile sifunayo is Office. Visio, okay, ngizochaza nokuthi usebenza kanjani, but for now we are concentrating on Office because sifuna uWord. Now install Office. Office will install a lot of components, Word and Excel, Publisher and Access 2016, a lot of apps. Okay, after this, then you click start installation. Remember ukuthi uma isaqala iveza the screen, the language ayifundeki, it's written in another language, then you have to click on ENG and then click start installation. You must make sure ukuthi Office is selected, but if now you want to install Visio, then you select Visio, or if you want to install Project, then you will select this one. But for now we want to install Word, so you click Office and then click on start installation. But here for me now, since I've already installed Office 2016, it will not allow me to install it again because I already installed Office 2016. So I will show you now ukuthi after isi-installile izoveza kanjani. Okay, let's iveza this thing. Okay, after isivezile lokho uzolandela nje we'll follow the instructions. It's very simple. Once it is done installing, then we'll just close. Because it's of the button around here, it will continue online. Don't continue online, just close, and then Word will be installed on your system. Then you'll check it here. Just click on this one and then check. You'll check here. Once it is done installing, you'll check Word. It will be shown up here like this one. It will be shown like this one. Okay, sisayilinda nje la isa loader. Because vele ngeke ngivumele ukuthi ngi-install. So now let me show you ukuthi uma isi-installekile uzobe usuqhubeka kanjani, what are other steps to follow. Okay, let me go and access my Word. I will access my Word. Click on Word 2016. enye into futhi uma usuklickile la ku Word 2016 sometimes iphinde iveze lesinye iscreen bese ethi install updates now, iphinde ithi ask me later. So you see now it change your installation now for professional. Why ingibuze this thing? It's because isi detectile ukuthi I already do have this app installed on my device. So now it will not allow me to reinstall it ngaphandle ukuthi ngithi add or remove ama features noma ngithi repair if my office has got issues. But for now then I will cancel this and then say yes and then close. Okay, okay, I'm waiting for my okay. Let me check my okay. I was opening this right. Okay, uma usuvulile Word wakho uzocishe uthi ukuvela like this, but before you access this one izoveza le pop up ebengikhuluma ngayo lethi install update now noma it ask me later, and then when you have to click install now and then bese confirm noma thini u click ibutton noma lizothi next or yeah, but it will say something. Yes, once you click the button elithi install now, and then izobe siyaqhubeka kulandela ama instructions, and then izobe siya install ke ama updates. After that it will show you sign in here. So mina la I've already signed in, so izobe sivezela igama elithi sign in, then click on that link. You just click on that link. Once you click on that link, you'll have to input your details. If you are a student, you'll have to input your yes, ama details wakho asesikoleni. But if you are a worker, then you'll have to put it's either work or school account, email address. Yes, here. Uma isivezela sign in here, you'll click that sign in, then zokuvezela a screen like this one, then you'll type your email here, either work or school email address. Then once I share uzothi next bese ifuna password we share. After that it's done. There's nothing else, nothing more, nothing less. Yes, thank you guys. So ivideo yethu iphelele lapha ekhombisa ukuthi how to download and install Office 2016 ukuze ukwazi ukuba ne-access to Word. Yes, so thank you guys, thank you very much. If you have got questions, then okay, mase ufuna ukubhala, then you'll click blank document. Yes, you'll click blank document, then you'll type. Izokuvumela ukuthi utype. But sometimes if it when you open this document, sometimes it happens ukuthi ikutshela ukuthi protected, then you'll have to enable, you'll have to click on the button elithi enable. Yes, ukuze ukwazi ukuthi ukwazi ukutype here, because if here in a message ethi protected and then ngeke ukwazi ukutype here, then you'll have to click a link or a button somewhere izokuvezela kodwa to enable Word ukuze ukwazi ukutype. So for now, thank you guys. If you've got questions, just write the comments. Thank you. Oh, sorry guys, another thing, here is the link to access Office 2016. I'll show you just right now. But still, ngizoshare futhi ku YouTube. I will share the link on YouTube. Alright, here is the link. Ungayitype noma ungalinda ngize ngiveze kuma description lapha ku YouTube. I will share this link. Thank you guys.